Sabi niya sa how come you didn't wait for me? Put you on the cover of that. I wanted to be the first.
Ikit ka sa.
When I looked at him
Hala.
from that moment, he really said, I'll give you all the credit. Kasi ako naniniwala ko, even ako hindi ko alam what's current. Ikaw ang nag-introduce sa amin. Di ba, aside from being at your first show, very bukas, ikaw pala mo yata during that time, alam ko ano ka pa. Kasi, alam mo ba, nanalo si Shaq.
Bro,
Rival niya.
ito picture ka sa. Ano lagi
They
ka?
were always like, ano na take-over ni siya na kapag time. So that's why siya naman kasi
Hello.
okay, ako entry ko naman. For last show, tama ba? Yung first time namin na-meet Heartworld, first time namin na-meet yung literal na Heartworld in Paris. Di ba kasi yung supporters niya,
Lights.
outfit na pare-pareho, nalanit yung dito.
Alame na doay.
Everyone's there, we get to see them, meet them, take photos with them. Parang nakaka-proud kasi not all the time naman nandun kami.
Ay.
Nandito lang kami lagi sa Philippines, diba?
Ay.
Pag nakita mo yung sumusuportahan niya, parang masabi ko nga,